Hello students, let's continue with chapter 8, that is construction of quadrilaterals. And now here in the previous video we had started with practice set 8.1. We have completed up till question number 2. Now let's proceed further and start with question number 3. Question number 3 is in quadrilateral ABCD. What is given that I have already written so that we don't waste time. In quadrilateral ABCD, length of AB is 6.4 centimeter, length of BC 4.8 centimeter, major angle is 70 degree, angle B 50 degree and angle C is 140 degree. This is given to us. So with the help of the given data, I have already drawn the rough figure so that we don't waste much time. Now here you can see, okay, quadrilateral ABCD. Here your AB is 6.4 centimeter, your BC is 4.8 centimeter, angle A is 70 degree, angle B is 50 degree and angle C is 140 degree. So this much is given and with the help of that I have drawn the rough figure. Okay children, so everyone will be writing this in the classwork notebook and see that you keep your classwork notebook complete, as randomly I can call anyone and ask to show the classwork book. Clear children? So now see children, let us start with the main figure. So here see children, I have taken a separate page. You will continue your classwork book only since space is less. Now see children, let us first construct AB 6.4 centimeter. Okay, so we are drawing AB 6.4 centimeter. Now this we have drawn. This is your A, this is your B. Next step is, now we are going to draw angle A 70 degree and angle B is your 50 degree. So second step we are going to construct the angles. Now we know with the help of the protractor you are going to draw the angles. Okay, so your angle is A is 70 degree and you are going to mark this 70 degree. Okay, and then shift the protractor at point B and you are going to mark angle B as 50 degree, right? So angle A 70 degree, angle B 50 degree we have drawn. Now with the help of the scale we will draw the angles. Okay, now here we have drawn the angles. Okay, now see children, this is your 6.4 centimeter. Now next step will be, we know that, okay, your BC is okay, BC is 4.8 centimeter first. Okay, so this also you are writing, this is your 70 degree, this is your 50 degree, but now BC is how much? 4.8 centimeter. So take your rounder and you are going to open the radius of the rounder as 4.8 centimeter. Okay, so this we have opened 4.8 centimeter. Now children, you are going to mark one arc on this, okay, on this arm of the angle, taking radius 4.8 centimeter. Now this point where your arc has intersect, this is nothing but your point C. This is your we can say what? Position C, your point C of the quadrilateral. Okay, now we know that angle C is how much degree? 140 degree. So now you are going to keep your protractor in such, okay, you will keep the protractor at point C and your angle 140 degree. So angle 140 degree is here, you can see it's over here. You will mark 140 degree here. Okay, now see children, here is 140 degree and the other 140 degree is over this side. So it is not possible because your quadrilateral will not be formed. So you are going to use this upper scale. Now it depends on the direction of angle, right? So in this case you are going to use that we have already learned in our previous class, when to use which reading, below one or upper one. You can just go through those previous textbook if you have. Now here we are using the above, okay, above reading, that is this is 140 degree and with the help of the scale you are just going to join this, okay, this point, okay, this is your point D, this is your point D. That means we have constructed this quadrilateral ABCD, that is this is 4.8 centimeter and this is your okay, and other measurements is this you can write like this way. This is your D. Now I hope this is very clear. You can see we have constructed. Okay. Now let's continue with the fourth question, that is construct quadrilateral L, M and O such that length of LM is equal to LO, that is 6 cm, length of ON is equal to NM, that is equal to 4.5 cm, and length of OM is 7.5 cm. Now children, you can see that I have drawn again the rough figure. What is the name of the quadrilateral? L, M, N, O. Now OL, see children, OL is 6 cm, LM is 6 cm. So we have written, and ON and NM 4.5, 4.5. Your this OM is how much? It is 7.5 cm. This OM is your 7.5 cm. Now with the given condition, we have to draw the quadrilateral. Let's start with the construction. Now see children, in this case, first we will draw, okay, OM, that is 7.5 cm. So we are drawing OM 7.5 cm. Okay, OM 7.5 cm. So this is your O, this is your M, 7.5 cm. Now you are writing this 7.5 cm. Now next step children, first here you can see that OM we have done. Now what is remaining? Next point, what is which two points are remaining? Which two angles of the quadrilaterals are remaining? L and here L and N. So first we will construct angle N. Now here this again very carefully pay attention children. Okay, N from O it is at what distance? 4.5, and even from M it is at 4.5 distance. You can see this point N is equidistant, right? From O also it is 4.5 and from M also 4.5. So what are we going to do? We'll take the scale and we'll measure we will radius. We will open the radius of the compass 4.5 centimeter. Okay children, 4.5 centimeter. Now see, we have opened 4.5 centimeter. Now what are we going to do? We'll keep this. Okay, so here we are keeping here. We'll keep this at point O and draw one arc. See children, at point O I am keeping and drawing one arc. Okay, now we are going to draw again, shift the place and keep at point M and draw one more arc. Okay, now see these arcs are not intersecting. Go back to O and extend this arc. Now both the arcs are intersecting. Okay, both the arcs are intersecting. See, I'll just make it dark. Both the arcs are intersecting. Now this point where both the arcs are intersection, okay, where both the arcs are intersecting, this is nothing but your angle, that is the third point of the quadrilateral, that is N. Now with the help of the scale you will just take and you will just join the angle, the vertices of the quadrilateral. This is your vertices N and you are just joining it, and you are writing this is your 4.5 centimeter and this is also 4.5 centimeter. Now this much is done. Now which point is remaining? Your point vertices L is remaining, but this L from O it is at 6 centimeter, from M also it is at 6 centimeter. So now you will take your compass, you will take your scale and you are going to open the radius of the compass. Compass how much? 6 centimeter. You will open it 6 centimeter. See children, 6 centimeter. Okay, so you are opening 6 centimeter. Keep at O, at the vertices O, keep at the vertices O and you draw one arc. Okay, keep at vertices O, you draw one arc. Keep at vertices M, draw one more arc which will intersect the previous arc. Now you are doing this downward. Keep at M, draw one arc. Keep at O, keep at O, draw one arc. Now you can see both the arcs are intersecting. This point is nothing but this vertices is nothing but your vertices L. And then with the help of the scale, you are just joining this. Okay, and this is how much? 6 centimeter. This is your 6 centimeter. Okay, so now this quadrilateral is done. Your quadrilateral LMNO with the given condition we have drawn. Now after doing the construction, children, you are not going to rub the arcs. You have to keep the arc. Okay. So with this we have completed practice set 8.1. Now just now one more video I will be sending containing practice set 8.2. Now children, complete this practice set in your classwork book. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and again one more video, just see 8.2 I am going to do.